In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a star or half star rating in PowerPoint. This technique is perfect for adding visual flair to your slides or enhancing your presentations with a simple rating system. First, open PowerPoint and the presentation you want to work on. Next, go to the Insert tab at the top of your screen and click Shapes. From the Shapes menu, select a star and draw it on your slide. Adjust its size and position until it looks just right. Now, go back to the Insert tab and select Shapes again, but this time choose a rectangle. Position the rectangle over the star to cover exactly half of it. This rectangle will be used to create the half star effect. Once positioned, select the star first, then hold Shift and click the rectangle so both shapes are selected. Next, go to the Shape Format tab and click Merge Shapes, then choose Subtract. This will cut away the rectangle portion, leaving you with a clean half star. And there you have it. You can now use this half star along with full stars to create a professional looking rating system in PowerPoint. Customize the color or size to match your presentation's theme. Practice a few times and soon you'll be adding perfect star ratings to all your slides. Enjoy enhancing your presentations with this simple but powerful visual trick.